You've got 99 subscribers, and you're ready to blow up. You need some quick subscriber hacks and boom. Here are 10 hacks to go from 99 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers very fast. Welcome back to another video where today we're talking about how to gain 1,000 subscribers really fast. Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? We're diving deep into the strategies that can skyrocket your growth and have you hitting that milestone before you know it. In just a few short minutes, we're going to be sharing the top 10 best ways to gain thousands of subscribers in no time at all. Whether you're an influencer, a brand, or anything in between, these tips and tricks will help you maximize your reach and leave your competition in the dust. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Before we dive into the first hack, let's set the stage. Why do you want to gain 1,000 subscribers? Is it for clout, money, or just the love of the game? Whatever your motivation, these hacks will help you get there faster. But remember, quality matters. Don't sacrifice your content just for numbers. With that said, let's roll. Hack number 1, nail your niche. You can't just wing it when it comes to growing on YouTube. You need a plan, and that plan starts with knowing your niche inside out. What are you passionate about? What do you know more than the back of your hand? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to dig deeper. Research keywords that are relevant to your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or even YouTube Autocomplete to find out what people are searching for. The more specific you can be, the better. Now that you have your niche and keywords in hand, it's time to get creative. Create content that caters specifically to that niche and incorporates your keywords naturally. Think about the type of content your target audience would love to watch and make it happen. Now that you've created your content, it's time to promote it. Share your videos on social media, engage with relevant communities, and use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. If done right, you'll start seeing those subscribers roll in before you know it. Hack number 2, optimize your profile. Your YouTube profile is your first impression, so make it count. Make sure your profile picture and banner are high quality and reflect your brand or personal aesthetic. Write a compelling bio that tells people who you are and what they can expect from your content. But don't stop there. Optimize your channel for searchability by including relevant keywords in your title and description. Use emojis to stand out and make your bio more visually appealing. Finally, add links to your social media accounts so people can follow you across platforms. When your profile is complete and optimized, it's time to sit back and watch the subscribers roll in. Hack number 3, unleash the power of playlists. Playlists are a great way to organize your content and make it easier for people to find. Create playlists around specific topics or themes and use catchy titles and descriptions to draw people in. This not only helps your existing fans find more of your content, but it also introduces you to new audiences who may be interested in similar topics. To take things to the next level, collaborate with other creators in your niche to create joint playlists. This cross-promotion can expose you to a whole new set of subscribers and help you stand out even more. So don't underestimate the power of playlists. Organize, categorize, and promote your content to maximize your reach on YouTube. Hack number 4, leverage YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are a game changer when it comes to reaching new audiences and growing your subscriber base. With their own dedicated feed, Shorts have opened up a world of possibilities for content creators. To make the most of this feature, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that is specifically tailored for the short form. Think about what makes a video go viral and try to incorporate those elements into your shorts. Use catchy hooks, unexpected twists, and visually appealing content to keep viewers hooked. But don't forget to optimize your shorts for searchability by including relevant keywords in the title and description. With a little creativity and strategic planning, you can leverage YouTube Shorts to grow your subscriber base and reach new heights on the platform. Hack number 5. Engage your audience. Engagement is key when it comes to growing on YouTube. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make your audience feel valued. When people feel connected to you and your content, they're more likely to hit that subscribe button. But don't stop there. Encourage your viewers to engage with each other by asking for their opinions or starting a conversation around your content. You can also run contests or giveaways to generate excitement and encourage participation. Remember, the more people engage with your content, the more likely it is to be recommended by YouTube to new audiences. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to engaging your viewers. From interactive polls to behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, the possibilities are endless. Hack number 6. Master the art of thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the face of your video, and it needs to be eye-catching to stop people from scrolling by. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and intriguing images to draw people in. But don't just rely on aesthetics. Make sure your thumbnail accurately represents your video content. If people click on your thumbnail expecting one thing and then are met with something else entirely, they're likely to bounce. So take the time to craft thumbnails that are both visually appealing and informative. And don't forget to test different variations to see what works best for your audience. After all, the key to success on YouTube is to continuously adapt and refine your strategy based on what the data tells you. Hack number 7. Conquer titles. Your title is the first thing people will read about your video, so make it count. Keep it concise, clear, and keyword-rich. Use numbers, power words, and questions to grab attention and make people curious. But don't stop there. Consider including your target keyword in the first 60 characters of your title, as this is what will display in search results. Use tools like Vidiq or TubeBuddy to analyze your title's performance and make adjustments as needed. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be well on your way to crafting titles that bring in the clicks and subscribers you've been dreaming of. Hack number 8. Become a collaborator. Collaborations are a great way to expand your reach on YouTube. Find creators in your niche with a similar target audience and propose a collaboration. This could be a guest appearance on their channel, a joint video, or even just a shout out in one of your videos. By working with other creators, you'll be able to tap into their audience and introduce yourself to new viewers. Just be sure to choose collaborators wisely and only work with people whose values and content align with your own. Hack number 9. Live stream. Live streaming is a great way to connect with your audience in real time and build a stronger relationship with them. Host Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes tours, or even live tutorials. You can also use live streaming to promote other aspects of your brand or business. Just be sure to plan ahead and promote your live streams in advance so that people have time to mark their calendars. Hack number 10. Embrace the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm can be a fickle beast, but by understanding how it works, you can optimize your content to get it in front of more viewers. Focus on creating high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience, and make sure to include keywords that are popular in your niche. But don't stop there. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and build a community around your channel. The more people that are talking about your content, the more likely it is to be recommended by YouTube. So embrace the algorithm, optimize your content, and watch your subscriber count grow. We've made it to the final countdown. Thanks for joining us on this epic journey of 10 incredible hacks to skyrocket your subscriber count. Remember, the road to success is paved with consistency, quality content, and a whole lot of creativity. So go forth, armed with the knowledge and inspiration you've gained from today's adventure. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tips and tricks to conquer YouTube like a true champion. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep inspiring. The world is your oyster, so go out there and claim your prize.